Here's a new 2018 Ford F-150. This truck was built to tough it out and tested to make sure it's up to every challenge. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Auxiliary audio input, 3 12-volt power outlets, manual tilting steering column, rear parking sensors, easy lift and lower tailgate, manual telescoping steering column, V6 engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Built on tradition, built to last, Ford. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
At Lakeland Auto Mall, your complete satisfaction is our #1 goal. We are conveniently located at 1430 West Memorial Boulevard in Lakeland, Florida.